Looking for the best kids' knee and elbow pads to keep your little ones safe while skating, biking, or scootering? You're in the right place. Our channel shares daily product reviews to help you choose the right gear with confidence. Stick around as we break down the top options that combine comfort, durability, and protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides every day. Number 1. Simply Kids Knee and Elbow Pads. The fabric and padding on these are soft and breathable, giving them a more natural, flexible feel than many cheaper pads we've tested. The open back design is especially helpful in warmer weather, allowing for better airflow and less sweat, so kids are more likely to keep them on without complaint. Secured with Velcro straps, these pads are also quick to get on and off. They easily fit over clothing in colder months, unlike sleeve-style pads that typically need to be worn underneath. A quick heads up, these kids' bike pads come in 2 versions. The first gen includes standard knee and elbow pads, as pictured above. The second gen adds attached shin guards to the knee pads, making the set noticeably bulkier. Unless you specifically need shin protection, we recommend sticking with the first gen. On the Amazon link above, pads are first gen by default unless marked otherwise in the color selection. Number 2. Strider Pads. After the success of the Strider Balance bike, Strider set out to create a quality protective pad set that actually fits really young riders. These Strider pads are a great investment for toddlers and smaller kids. Coming standard with 2 sets of pads, the smaller set of pads can be used as knee pads first. As kids grow bigger, that smaller set can be converted to use as elbow pads, and the larger set is then used as knee pads. Also have the option of buying a set with gloves, which we definitely recommend. Balance bikers usually fall hands first, so gloves are actually more important than knee or elbow pads. As lovers of riding bikes, Strider loves inspiring children to ride. Strider's mission is to build lightweight, efficient, all-terrain bikes that develop 2-wheeled balance, coordination, and confidence. Number 3. 888 Saver Series. While hardshell pads aren't necessary for casual neighborhood riding, they're a must for skateboarding, especially when sliding out of a trick. If your child is testing out new moves at the skate park on a skateboard or scooter, the 888 pads are your best bet. This set also includes wrist guards, which are crucial for preventing sprained or broken wrists while skateboarding. One important note, when choosing a size, only the wrist guards vary. The knee and elbow pads remain the same across sizes, so be sure to check the size chart and measure carefully before ordering. All-in-one skate set includes 1 pair each of Knee Saver knee pads, Elbow Saver elbow pads, and Wrist Saver wrist guards for kids and adults. Important, the wrist guards are not designed for biking and should only be used for skateboarding or scootering. Number 4. Fox Launch Pro Youth. If your shredder is advancing in skills and tackling more aggressive terrain, the Fox Launch Pro Youth knee pads and elbow pads offer the extended protection you'll need. With additional shin, forearm, and side coverage, these pads are a bit bulky for standard trail rides, but ideal for downhill and high speeds. Our 14-year-old kid tester regularly rocks everything from the Utah downhill to Black Diamond Bentonville trails, so crashes are the norm. The Launch Pro Youth have held up incredibly well and kept his knees and shins unscathed. We have not yet tested the elbow pad set. $79 knee pads, $69 elbow pads, sizes available. 1 size turned for older kids 12+. Extended shin and forearm and side protection. Velcro tightening system for better longevity of use. D30 inserts for more flexibility while solid on impact. Cons, only available in 1 size. Number 5. Vela Upgraded Pads. While these pads aren't from a brand we typically trust as much as others, we can't deny they offer impressive protection and comfort for the price. We tested both Vela upgraded and standard versions and definitely prefer the upgraded set. The upgraded pads are not only more comfortable and durable, but they also provide better impact protection. The padding is thicker and more dense, whereas the standard version uses softer, less dense padding. The standard pads also feature a much longer sleeve and a thin nylon fabric covering the pads, material that's likely to rip after a single crash. That said, even with torn fabric, the pads should still be functional. Impact-resistant and soft, made of high-quality soft EVA padded material and breathable protective layer. Anti-slip silicone surface, protect your kids well. Flexible fit, adjustable hook and loop closure, ensure a secure fit. Four-way stretch for increasing the range of motion.